Teacher Dawn. How are you this evening? Okay, I hope everybody is fine. And yes, tonight we will be learning the blending sounds, okay? But before that, we have a little bit self-introduction. Okay, I would like to ask your name. What is your name? Ooh, that's a lovely name. And how old are you? You are? Ooh, and nice to meet you, by the way. Okay, now, okay, let's practice the words that we used to practice before. Okay, now let's, okay, do it with action and repeat after teacher. Okay, now, okay, let's follow teacher. Okay, now, they're big, everybody. They're big. They're big. Okay, next one is we're happy. Everybody show to me how to be happy. We're happy. Okay, again, we're happy. Okay, now everybody show to me how to be cold. Okay, they're cold. They're cold. They're cold. Okay, the next one is, everybody repeat after teacher. We're small. We're small. Okay, repeat after teacher. We're small. Okay, and last one is, he is happy. He is happy. He is happy. Okay, very good. Now let's go to blending sounds. Okay, we go for letter A. Okay, the letter A, and the sound is ah, ah, ah. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, another letter that we have is letter M. M. Letter M. Everybody repeat after teacher. M. Okay. Okay, let's do the sound. Okay. Okay. Ah, 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 Okay. Am. Okay. Am. Okay, the first picture that we have ram. Okay. Ram. Okay, everybody repeat after teacher. Ram. Okay, the next one is jam. Jam, jam, jam. Okay, the next one is yam. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, the fourth one is dam. Dam. Dam, dam, dam. Dam. Dam, dam, dam. Okay, now, okay, help teacher to use the blending sound, okay? Ra-am, ram. Ra-am, ram. Ra-am, ram. Ja-am, jam. Ja-am, jam. Ja-am, jam. Ya-am, yam. Ya-am, yam. Ya-am, yam. Da-am, dam. Da-am, dam. Da-am, dam. Okay, now let's go to chanting. Okay, help teacher how to chant. Everybody, dam, yam. Okay, ram, dam, yam, jam. Ram, dam, yam, jam. Ram, dam, yam, jam. Ram, jam, yam, jam. Very good. Thank you for your time tonight. See you.